Guys, so last day we learned where clause, as well we also know about some logical operator, what the mean of greater than and less than, equal to, not equal to, less than equal to, greater than equal to, and many more operators we learn in last video. So today we will learn group by, having clause, limit, order by, some window functions as well. So we try to cover lot of things. You can check our table, 30 record table that we made last day. So now we proceed our operation on this table. So come to the point, come to the query. Okay, so here you can see that many departments are here. If someone are come and call you and ask to you कि how many department are here, you can see the 30 department, because you know the 30 records in this table. So you can say that 30 department are here, but you can see 30 record are here but department are repeated many times. So how to check the unique department? So we use this command, select department from employee table, from employee table. I can also write like this and use group by group by what it do. So group by group, if many males and females are standing front of you, and you say the male come this side, right side, and female go left side. So you make a group, the male group and female group. So now I separating the all department. So I'm using here the group by. i'm just I'm not going here, I'm using F5 key. So don't use too much mouse, don't go with mouse, always try to use the keyboard and shortcut keys. It's a help to reduce your time, reduce time, and you go with flow, yeah. So here you can see the how many department are unique. So six department, only six department in entire table. It These all department are repeating many times: marketing, operations, finance, sales, IT, HR. Okay, come to the next point. So what I want now, I want the average salary of each department. Then how to do? Now I'm just use the department, also use group by here. I'm just write EVG, average salary of each department. So average, use start bracket, you type the salary, end bracket. You can see the average salary of each department. You can also give what is the name of this column, EVG. Now you are not able to understand what is the column mean. So we give one nickname to this column. So use alias. So for alias you can type here is average salary, as name is average F5. Now you can see the column name. what what I given here, average salary. Okay, now you got the point what I'm telling you. And if you also can see these decimal point are here. Then how to remove it? So you can use round round functions here. This round functions you also learn in Excel. Average you also learn in Excel. Max, mini, and many more functions you already learn in Excel. So if you are good in Excel, then you can easily can learn these all things. You can easily can learn SQL, Python, and many more things you can learn easily. So I'm just press the F5 key and you can see the result. The decimal point are removed and whole number you can see. The marketing department average salary is 59500. It's mean 59,500. Operation department average salary is 69,075 7,150. If you need to see the highest salary of each department, then what I do, you can easily type, just remove the avg average and type max, press F5, and now you are able to see the marketing department highest salary. So why you are seeing the average salary, you can type here max salary. Max salary. Okay. Now done. The marketing department max salary, finance department max salary. If you want to see the minimum, then you type here minimum and also type here. Okay, now you got the point. What I'm doing? HR department lowest salary, sales department lowest salary, minimum salary. Okay. Okay. So if someone has come and asks to you how many record in these department, then how to identify it. So I just remove this script, and what I do, I just use count everything, count everything. I'm pressing F5. Now you can see the 4 record come under marketing department, the 4 record come under the operation department, and 6 record come under the finance department, 3 record in this, and 9 record in this, and 4 record in this. So if someone will come and told you, okay, tell me the how many record come under this department, then what you do? Now you got the point, what you do. So we need to come to the order by, and so select how to use order by. Select aesthetic from F5. These are our record. I just want to see this table order by salary. If your salary is the max, then your record come first, after after down means descending order to ascending order, highest value to lowest value. So what I do here, I just come here order by, select everything from employee table, order by salary, yes. And you can see the highest salary record are upside and lowest salary record is downside. If you use ASC, ascending order to descending order, lowest value to highest value, then you can use the ASC, and lowest salary person are here. If I tell you that I just want to check the 3 record of highest person, it's mean if you come first, second, and third, if your income is the 1 lakh, then 99,000 and 98,000. I just want to check. I don't want entire table. I just want the 3 highest value, highest salary person. Then how to find the top 3 highest salary person? So here I use DSC as well, type limit. I want 3 top highest salary person, so I type 3 F5. Now you can see the Karan Joshi salary is 97,000 and Siddharth Sethi salary is 94,000, as well Neha Kapoor salary is 92,000. If someone will come and told you I just want to the top 3 lowest salary person, then what you do, then you need to use the ASC and just type, just press F5, and now you are able to see the Pooja Mehta, Riya and Meera Rathi. Pooja Mehta salary, minimum salary is the 45,000, 46,000, 47,000. So now you got the point what is the use of limit. If you use limit, then you can, how many numbers I type here, if I write 1, then I just, I can see the one result, only one record. If I type here 2, then now I am able to see only 2 record. It's all depend on you. I just type 5 and press F5, then you can see the 5 record only. So what the mean of limit. Also you got the point how to use order by and why we use order by for ascending order to descending order, as well the descending order to ascending order, lowest value to highest value and highest value to lowest value. If I am come to order by and type here name, AC mean ascending order to descending order. Its simple mean is A to Z, F5. 1 second. Order by, I just remove it and also remove this. Now you can see the result. Order by Ajay Mishra, Amit. If your name is start with A, then your name come top side. Limit and use to value F5, then you can see the two result. And order by DSC, it simple mean your order come from Z to A, not A to Z, come Z to A. Just press F5, then you can see the result. The Vikram Singh and Uday Patil, only two records are visible. Now I just want to check the 5 result. So here I'm typing 5 and just pressing F5, then now you can able to see the Vikram Singh, Uday Patil, Tanvi, Suresh, Sneha. The 5 record are visible here. So for today, this is enough. This is enough for you. You learn it, practice it 2 time, 3 time, 4 time, 5 time, जब तक ये आ नहीं जाता. So we will meet in next video. Bye bye. Thank you so much.